Welcome to Star Technology 5G. In today's video I will show you how to display character on dot matrix display. Let's start the video. Please subscribe to the Star Technology 5G and click on the bell icon. Project: How to display character on dot matrix display. In this project, we will interface the dot matrix display with PIC16F877 microcontroller. Rows are connected with port C and columns are connected with port D of a PIC16F877 microcontroller, and the microcontroller is operated from an 8 MHz crystal. We are using ULN2803 IC with rows, because microcontroller cannot provide enough current for operating 64 LEDs of dot matrix display. Here is the circuit diagram we are using in our project. It is PIC16F877 microcontroller. Pin number 1 is master reset. If we press the switch it will reset the microcontroller. Port C is interfaced with dot matrix displays rows through an ULN2803 IC because microcontroller cannot provide enough current for operating 64 LEDs. Port D is interfaced with dot matrix displays columns through current limiting resistors. And the value of resistor are 100 ohm. Pin numbers 13 and 14 are the interface with an 8 MHz crystal and 22 PF capacitors are connected with the crystal. Here is dot matrix display. We are using 8x8 dot matrix display. Pin number 11 and 32 are connected with positive 5 volts. Pin number 12 and 31 are connected with ground volt. Let's draw this circuit in PORTC. I used these pull-up resistors, because in PORTC ULN2803 was not working without these resistor. But in practical you don't need these pull-up resistors. The circuit is ready now. We will write its code in MikroC PIC. Here is the window where we can write the code. I already wrote the code, otherwise video gets very long. I will copy the code. And I will paste it here. Now I will define you the code. Hashtag define row PORTC. Define PORTC as row. Rows are connected with port C. Hashtag define COL port D. Define port D as COL. Columns are connected with port D. Void ms delay. Unsigned char. Time. Here is function of delay with variable name time. Unsigned char. Y, z. Define variable named y and z. For loop. Y equals 0. Y less than time. And increment y. Z equals 0. Z less than 20. And increment z. Void main. Main function. TRISC equals 0x00. Set port C as output port. TRISD equals 0x00. Set port D as output port. While 1. Endless loop. It will repeat the code again and again. COL equals 0x80. Send column data 10000000 to port D. That is hex code and its binary value is 10000000. Row equals 0x00. Send row data 00000000 to port C. That is also hex code and its binary value is 00000000. And call ms delay. Next. COL equals 0x40. Send column data 01000000 to port D. It will turn on the column 2. Now we will send the rows data. Row equals 0x3f. Send row data 00111111 to port C. Now row number 3, row number 4, row number 5, row number 6, row number 7, and row number 8 are on. And call ms delay. Next. COL equals 0x20. Send column data 00100000 to port D. Row equals 0x48. Send row data 01001000 to port C. And turn on rows LEDs in columns number 3. And call ms delay. Next. COL equals 0x10. Send column data 00010000 to port D. Turn on column number 4. Row equals 0x88. Send row data 10001000 to port C. And call ms delay. Next. COL equals 0x08. Send column data 00001000 to port D. Turn on column number 5. Row equals 0x48. Send row data 01001000 to port C. And call ms delay. Next. COL equals 0x04. Send column data 00000100 to port D. Turn on column number 6. Row equals 0x3f. Send row data 00111111 to port C. And call ms delay. Next. COL equals 0x02. Send column data 00000010 to port D. Turn on column number 7. Row equals 0x00. Send row data 00000000 to port C. And call ms delay. Next. COL equals 0x01. Send column data 00000001 to port D. Turn on column number 8. Row equals 0x00. Send row data 00000000 to port C. And call ms delay. This process repeat again and again so the eye cannot tell that the LEDs are not on all the time. Now we will create the hex file. Just click on the build icon. Finished successfully. File is created. Now we will load hex file into the microcontroller. Double click on the microcontroller. Select the hex file. OK. And click on the run simulation. You can see .matrix display show complete character on it. If you have any problem with the code, let me know in comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the Star Technology 5G. And keep watching Star Technology 5G.